Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body, filtering toxins, processing nutrients, and storing energy. But when fat builds up in the liver, it can lead to serious problems like fatty liver disease, inflammation, and even liver failure. The good news? The liver can heal, and the right foods can help it do just that. Let's start with one of the most powerful detoxifiers: leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with chlorophyll and antioxidants that help cleanse the liver and reduce fat buildup. Oats are next. Full of fiber and slow-digesting carbs, oats help regulate blood sugar and reduce insulin spikes, two key factors in controlling fat accumulation in the liver. Don't overlook fatty fish like salmon and sardines. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which lower liver fat levels and reduce inflammation. Another liver-loving food? Avocados. They're not only high in healthy fats, but also contain compounds that protect the liver from damage and support fat metabolism. Green tea is a quiet powerhouse. It's loaded with catechins, antioxidants that improve liver function, burn fat, and reduce oxidative stress. Add in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are rich in compounds that increase the liver's natural detox enzymes and help flush out fat. Then there's nuts, especially walnuts. They're high in arginine and glutathione, two nutrients that support liver detox and repair. Don't forget berries, blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries. Their antioxidants help protect liver cells and reduce inflammation. And perhaps most importantly, water. Staying well hydrated supports liver function and helps flush fat and toxins from the body. When it comes to healing your liver, food is medicine. Clean, whole, and nutrient-rich meals can help your liver do what it was designed to do: cleanse, restore, and protect. The path to a healthier liver doesn't start in the pharmacy. It starts in your kitchen. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.